it's me, Dalia Sat. Let's enjoy the country old songs. Thank you.
I will never forget you. I will never let you go. Your name is carved forever in the lines of my own soul, like a promise written deeply that time can't wash away. You'll always be a part of me, each night and every day. Can a mother forget her child, the one she held so close, the life she carried in her womb, the one she loves the most? How could she ever turn away from the arms she used to hold? That kind of love was heaven sent, more precious than pure gold. And even if the world should change and hearts grow tired or cold, I will never forget you. I will never let you down. Even if the sky should fall or storms come crashing down, through the years and through the pain, through the laughter and the tears, I will never forget you, not in 1,000 years. And even if a mother's heart could lose her memory, still my love would stand so strong, like roots of an old oak tree. No distance, no tomorrow, no shadow in the night could ever steal the love I feel or take you from my life. No matter what the world may say, my love is here to stay. Through the fire and through the rain, through the changing of the seasons, I will never forget you, for you are my forever reason. I will never forget you. No, I'll never let you go. Forever in my heart is where your name will grow. Your laughter feels like a country song that only angels sing. Every dream I ever dreamed is standing here with you. If love is truly from the heart, and baby, make it true. If shadows fall across our road and doubts begin to rise, just look into my faithful eyes and see no compromise. Let's share the fire of this love tonight. Let the candles softly glow through every season of our lives. Together we will grow. Hold me close this Valentine, like it's our first and last. If love is truly from the heart, this love was meant to last. If love is truly from the heart, then forever starts tonight. You are my joy, my only truth. Believe me, darling, through and through. Now and forever I will stay. My love for you won't fade away. Put your faith in every vow. I would never let you down. Even if my life runs dry, my devotion won't deny. All I searched for all my years, I finally found right here. So believe what I confess, that I love you more than words. You are my happiness, my everything in life. When I'm resting in your arms, heaven feels so close tonight. And as long as I draw breath, this heart belongs to you. Please believe me, darling, your love is my sweetest truth. You're the answer to my prayers, every dream beyond repair. With your smile, the world feels right. You turn my darkness into light. You are my happiness, my everything in life. When I'm resting in your arms, heaven feels so close tonight. And as long as I draw breath, this heart belongs to you. Please believe me, darling, your love is my sweetest truth. If the road turns cold and long, storm and through the years, I'll be standing right here. You are my happiness, my everything in life. In your arms I found my home, where my weary soul can hide till my final day on earth. I will always choose you. Please believe me, darling, your love is my sweetest truth. Please believe me, darling, your love is my sweetest You are my joy, my only truth. Believe me, darling, through and through. Now and forever I will stay. My love for you won't fade away. Put your faith in every vow. I would never let you down. Even if my life runs dry, my devotion won't deny. All I searched for all my years, I finally found right here. So believe what I confess, that I love you more than words. You are my happiness, my everything in life. When I'm resting in your arms, heaven feels so close tonight. And as long as I draw breath, this heart belongs to you. Please believe me, darling, your love is my sweetest truth. You're the answer to my prayers, every dream beyond repair. With your smile the world feels right. You turn my darkness into light. You are my happiness, my everything in life. When I'm resting in your arms, heaven feels so close tonight. And as long as I draw breath, is true. If the road turns cold and long, I'll still hold your hand so strong. Through the storm and through the years, I'll be standing right here. You are my happiness, my everything in life. In your arms I found my home, where my weary soul can hide till my final day on earth. I will always choose you. Please believe me, darling, your love is my sweetest truth. Please believe me, darling, your love is my sweetest truth. Darling, my precious one, you're the promise in my life. There's nobody else but you. You're the reason I survive. Heaven knows I love you. Lord, it's honest and it's true. There's no world worth living if I can't be loving you. You're the light that fills my mornings. You're my glory and my pride. I could never stand the heartache if you weren't right by my side. I don't ever want to lose you. Don't let our love slip by, 'cause you're the only sunshine my sky. What would I do without your love? Tell me, where would I go? I don't want to face this world if I'm left here all alone. Would the sun still rise tomorrow if you walked away from me? You are all the joy I've known. You're my everything. Every night I say a prayer, hoping love will always stay. Nay, the bond we share together never fade If someday your love should leave me, I don't know what I'd do, 'cause all my happiness is you. Darling, you're my only one. Please believe my heart is true. There's no life worth living if I'm not loving you. Sorry, my darling, for the tears last night, for the words I said that just weren't right. I was blind to your pain, couldn't see your heart. Now I'm here on my knees, begging for a brand new start. I was wrong to let my temper lead the way. I didn't know how much I'd make you wait. I'm sorry, my love, for breaking you in two, for taking your kindness and treating it cruel. Please forgive this fool who didn't understand. Take me back, my darling. Take my trembling hand. I swear on these roads and the stars up above, I'll never again take for granted your love. I learned the hard way what I almost lost. Your heart's worth more than any pride it cost. Now I see the truth I couldn't see before. You're the only one I'm living for. I'm sorry, my love, if I broke your heart, if I let my foolish ways tear us apart. Please forgive this man who's ashamed inside. Let me love you right. Let me stand by your side. I was a fool, cold and unkind. Didn't know love like yours was so hard to find. Now every mile leads me back to you. I'll spend my whole life making it true. I'm sorry, my love, hear my lonely plea. There's no one else in this world for me. Oh, forgive me now. Let our story begin. Be my love again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My love. It felt like a joke when you walked into my life. Then love came shining, polished and bright, because of you I finally learned what love can do. I'll love you always, no matter who you are. You're the one my lonely heart was hoping to find. The one who brings me sweetness and light. You filled my days with gentle arms, and all the warmth I'd miss so long. You're the one I've been waiting for, the train that knocked upon my door. With you my wishes all came true. Every prayer I ever knew. You're the one. Yes, you're the one. Every love feels like it's missing something inside. All that it needs is a heart that won't hide. Because of you, I felt the truth so strong and real. I'll love you always, that's the way I feel. You gave my life a brand new start, but forever in my heart, you're the one I've been waiting for, the dream that knocked upon my door. With you my wishes all came true. Every prayer I ever knew. You're the one. Yes, you're the one. You're the one I've been waiting for, the dream that knocked upon my door. With you my wishes all came true. Every prayer I ever knew. You're the one. Yes, you're the one. You're the one my heart was praying for. You're the one. love is softly calling you in the quiet of the night, and someone's eyes are telling you that everything feels right. If you're still feeling unsure inside and don't know what to do, just hold her close and listen well. Love will speak to you. The voice of love will guide you like a lonely melody. It will tell you if her heart is true and if she's meant to be. You don't have to doubt her when her love is strong and true. Just listen for the voice of love, and it will lead you through. A tender sigh can sound so sweet, like a promise in the air. But sometimes words can fool the heart and leave it in despair. So don't give all your love away until you clearly know that what she feels is real inside, and not just for a show. The voice of love will guide you through the dark and through the blue. It will whisper in your heart what is honest and what's true. When her eyes are softly shining and her touch is warm and kind, listen for the voice of love, and peace you'll surely find. Love don't shout, it softly sings in a gentle, honest tone. It tells you when to hold her close or when to walk alone. The voice of love will call to you when it's pure and when it's right. It will stay beside your heart through every lonely night. If she loves you like she says she does, you'll feel it deep above. Just open up your heart and hear the voice of love. Yes, open up your heart and hear the voice of love. Ever since the day I met you, my my love. I just can't find my peace. Thoughts of you keep running through my mind. They never seem to cease. No matter where I go these days, your face is all I see. Every little memory keeps on haunting me. Even when I close my eyes at night, you're in my dreams somehow. All I've ever wished for is to have you with me now. I keep asking my heart what it found in you, but when you're here beside me, my whole world feels so true. Why do I love you so much? I just can't understand. Your warm and tender embrace still lingers in my hands. Why do I love you so much? Heaven only knows. Even if it's wrong somehow, my heart won't let you go. Since the day you came into my life, nothing feels the same. Every road I travel now leads me to your name. Your memory keeps shining like a light I can't outrun. You're the only reason my lonely heart still runs. Why do I love you so much? I just can't understand. Your warm and tender embrace still lingers in my hands. Why do I love you so much? Heaven only knows. Even if it's wrong somehow, my heart won't let you go. Why do I love you so much? Though I know it's true, even if the world says no, I'll still keep loving you.